back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this beautiful healthy looking wand curls without actually using a wand. Hope you enjoy it. Let's get into the video. I started off with a clean washed hair, but my hair was like 60-70% dry, and as you know, it's not good to blow dry your hair while it's dry, so I had to spray some water on it right before I start blowing it out. The dryer I'm going to be using is a Tymo Hypersonic dryer, and no, this is not a sponsored video. I just really liked it and wanted to include it on here. But if you are interested, it has 3 different nozzles including a diffuser, and they are all magnetic. And the dryer itself, it's so lightweight, like compared to other traditional dryers. I think that's pretty cool. Also, the temperature goes from like 0 up to 210. And here comes the important part, which is heat protection. I really pay attention to this when I blow dry my hair. It's very important to me. And the spray I'm using is Flawless Shine Enhancing Heat Protection Spray, and the cream is from Flawless as well. It is a smoothing blow dry cream, and these products work so well together. And I top that with the hair serum. It is from Curls. I believe it's called Cashmere and Caviar. I've been using this product combo for the past couple of times I blow out my hair, and I haven't noticed any kind of damage on my hair. And even though I'm using the lowest heat, I really believe that these products helped me a lot. And guys, I've been blowing out my hair a lot more than I used to due to maintenance issue. Yes, if you are a natural girl, you know what I'm talking about. Wash day itself takes me all day, and my hair is getting thicker and longer, so I'm wasting so much time. And I'm thinking to myself, what am I doing? Like, why am I wasting all this time just doing my hair? And it gets overwhelming, you know, over time. And I know I'm blessed. I love my hair, you know, I enjoy my hair. I'm not complaining. It's just I want to get out of this mindset of no heat, hashtag no heat. You know what I'm talking about. I'm not knocking anybody, but I'm kind of getting tired of it, and I just want to do whatever to save time, if you know what I mean. I want to do whatever I want to my hair, because at the end of the day, it's just hair, you know. It's just there on our head to enjoy, not just to be saved, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I just want to do whatever I want and enjoy it. You know, now I think about it, it's been like 7 years since I straightened my hair. Like, what? Oh my god, that is like dedication, you know. But I'm tired. I am gonna straighten my hair. I'm thinking about it because I used to enjoy straightening my hair. Actually, it looks very nice. I want to see what it looks like. I'm gonna do it pretty soon, and I cannot wait to see how long my hair is. And if you guys want to see that video, let me know down below what you guys think. Should I straighten my hair? Should I enjoy it, or should I save it? Like, what should I do? Anyway, back to the video. I just want to show you guys the difference between my hair in its natural state and the blowout section. And I had to give it to the dryer. The dryer itself, it's so lightweight, and something about it, it's just, I don't know, it works so well, and it is the bomb. I highly recommend it. I really loved this dryer. And here is my hair after I did the entire section. So this is what I was talking about, guys. This is what I'm saying. You see, I'm easily touching my hair, run my finger through my hair. It is so much easier to manage my hair when it's in this state. Right now I can do anything I want, a braid, updos, and it's so much easier. Now let's get into the wand or fake wand curls. So I sectioned my hair into a thick section, and I felt like I needed a little bit help. Even though I already moisturized my hair, I added a little bit of lightweight cream, and just comb that through. Now this is the important part. You're gonna want to use a very thick flexi rod. So what I do is I just roll it and just lay it on my hair lightly, because we want to mimic that wand curls. This is the important part. Lay your hair very lightly, because if you tighten it, you're gonna have a different type of curls. I'm gonna show you guys one more time, and I'm gonna show you the result. Once I finish each sections, I just let it dry, and I believe I let it dry for about 8 hours. And yes, I slept on this, and if you use these things, you know they kind of hurt. They put some type of stress on your scalp, but I gotta do what I gotta do, and it was totally worth it. As you can see, it came out as I expected, and I was totally happy with it. To release the stress of my scalp and to kind of fluff the roots, I put a little bit of oil on my fingers and just massage it and kind of fluff it with my fingers. And as you can see, I don't mess with it a lot. I just leave it alone. And I think it's very important, when you want your hair to last you for a couple of days, it is better to just leave it alone, not fluff it too much, just mess with it by the root and just leave your hair alone. I don't know about you guys, but this looks like a wand curl to me. It kind of mimics that loose curl that wand curl gives you, and I want to know what you guys think. I want you to let me know if I killed this look. Let me know. Style lasted me for like 2 days, but it was totally worth it. On the third day, I just combed my hair and restyled it to a different style. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you learned something from this video. I hope I gave you guys some tips. If you did, please let me know which part did you like. Did you like the curls? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you again. Bye.